Hello everyone. Today I have a new project that I'm working on. I found these wooden arrows in the Dollar Tree. And what I decided to do was paint them all silver, but I hand painted one silver. I need to finish the edges. We're gonna work on that right now. And I spray painted the other. So I'm gonna spray paint two and leave one hand painted in silver. So this one's we're gonna have two this color and the hand painted one in the middle. What is that? Oh, glue. My glue gun. Yeah, I'm gonna, it comes with the little cord, so I am going to expand it and glue it right here and then add a hook. I'm gonna pull it nice and tight, and then I'm gonna add a hook to the wall and hang it by the cord in the back. So when it's hanging on the wall, you won't see this cord up above. It's gonna be right behind the arrow like this. So I wanted to show you what it looks like fresh out of the Dollar Tree. Like, if you like it this way, then that's fine, but if you want to paint it a different color to match your home decor, you can do so, or spray paint it. I use the Rust-Oleum metallic silver finish spray paint, and I bought this acrylic paint in Michael's Liquitex in the color silver. Just a basic acrylic paint. So what you're gonna need is a little paper plate or plastic, or a little painter's cup. I don't have a painter's cup, so I'm just gonna use a little paper plate and a brush. I have a foam paintbrush. So you just squeeze a little bit. I'm just gonna do the edges of the, let me show you what we're painting. The edges here, they need a little bit of touching up along the brim. So we're gonna paint that. So this entire thing will be covered in silver. And then I'll spray paint the other wooden one. So you just add a little bit of paint to your paper plate or your painter's cup, whatever you're using. And let me give you a different angle so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I have my little bit of paint here, and I'm going to just add a little bit to the paintbrush, and we're going to paint along the edges. Kind of dab first, like you're putting on makeup, and then spread it. Just because I just want it along this very thin edge. I kind of added my own strokes to the front, and I don't want to mess that up, so we're just going to touch up the edges just by dabbing it a little, and then I'm gonna let it sit and dry. I'll let it sit overnight to dry, and then we'll hang it on the wall. I'm pretty much just dabbing all around because it's giving it like a textured look that I kind of like. So we're just gonna continue to dab, and then we'll be done. Doesn't take much. I just love silvers and gold as accent. So if I can't find what I want in the color that I like, I'll just buy it and paint it. Let's see. I don't want to get paint all over my fingers, which it looks like I've already done that. So I'm going to tighten my grip on the cord that's in the back, so that this way I won't get paint all over my hands. This might be a 2-day process because it's getting a little too messy. So we're gonna go ahead and paint this top here, and then I'm gonna lay it flat on its back and allow it to dry. But this is a quick and easy project. I'm gonna show you the finished product. Oh, I'm making a mess. Let's let it dry, and then I'll show you what all 3 of them look like. Okay, so I'm almost done painting. We're gonna finish painting the back right here, just the top portion along this section, and we'll be done. So we add a little paint, and we just dab and spread it along the edge. And now we're pretty much complete. Oh, I see one little spot. I'll add some there. So here is our finished painted arrow. So we went from this raw, I thought I messed it up, I didn't. So we went from this raw wood arrow to the silver painted and the silver spray painted, the chrome silver. So what I'm gonna do is spray paint this one the same metallic silver as this one, and one's gonna go on the top and the other's gonna go on the bottom, and then the hand painted gray one will go in the middle. So all 3 will go in a row on the wall. So that's it for today's project. I'm going to finish spray painting the last one and be done with it. So I'll see you guys soon. Oh, let me show you one more thing. I do need to do this part. I think I told you, but let me show you. So I have already removed the glue string. I've already removed the tag from the back of this one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna extend it. Oh man, I got paint on my finger. It's okay. We're gonna extend this as tight as we can right here. And if you have E6000 glue, that'll work. Or if you have a glue gun, that'll work as well. So I am going to add 1 spot of hot glue right here and extend this cord as long as I can. So we'll have a tight little, I want it tighter than that. We'll have a tight grip here. Yeah, like that. So sort of like a single guitar string. And that's where we'll be able to hook it on the wall. when we hang it. Like so. So like, let's glue it. I have my glue gun here. My glue should be nice and hot. So we're gonna add one spot of glue right here. And then, oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so we add a spot of glue right there. And then we're going to place the cord on top of the hot. Don't put your skin on it. It's hot. But we're gonna let that dry in that position, and then you don't see the cord anymore because it's taped. It's glued down in the back. But that's the finished look that I was going for. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I painted these white first. I hand painted it white, and then I added the silver on top. You don't have to do that, but I think it just makes the silver a little bit more shiny if you add white paint first and then the silver afterwards. So that's the finished product. I really enjoyed this project. I saw these and I really liked them, but I said, I don't love the color. It's just too plain for me. Everything is gray around me. I love silver and grays and white. So I decided to transform this into something silver, and I love it. All right, see you soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna continue to bring more and more videos. See you soon. Bye.